Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2 and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose password and biometrics. Then choose add face and enter your current login method. Following that, choose continue. And remember to keep your face in frame. Then you need to select Done at the bottom and adjust all of those face unlock features however you wish to. When you're ready, click on Home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!